If you often edit or upload vertical videos, setting up a custom preset in Handbrake can save you time and help you maintain consistent quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own custom preset in Handbrake specifically for vertical videos. It's quick, simple, and extremely useful. Let's begin by opening the Handbrake application on your computer. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the official Handbrake website. Once it's installed and open, you'll see a clean, easy to navigate interface that works well for beginners and professionals alike. To start creating your preset, locate the Presets button at the top of the window. Click it to open the Presets panel. This is where you can view existing presets and create new ones for your own projects. Now, click the Add Preset button. This is where the customization begins. A window will appear, prompting you to name your new preset. Choose a descriptive name that's easy to remember, like Vertical Video Preset. You'll also have the option to assign it to a category or create a new one. If you plan to make several presets for different video styles, creating categories helps keep everything organized. Next, it's time to set up your video's resolution and orientation. Go to the Dimensions tab and select Custom for the resolution. For vertical videos, a common setting is 1080 by 1920, which gives you a full HD vertical layout perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. You can adjust these numbers if your project requires a different aspect ratio, but 1080 by 1920 is the most standard option. Now, move to the Video tab. Here, select H.264 as your video codec. It offers excellent quality while keeping your file sizes manageable. You can adjust the constant quality slider to control video, clarity, and compression. A value around 20 usually delivers a great balance between quality and size. If you want smoother playback or specific performance options, you can also choose the frame rate and set it to match your original video. Typically, 30 or 60 frames per second works best for online content. After that, click on the Audio tab. Choose AAC as the audio codec, which is the most common format for clear, high-quality sound. You can leave the bitrate and channel options at default or adjust them if your project needs something specific. When all your settings are in place, return to the preset window and click Add to save your custom preset. Handbrake will now remember this setup, so the next time you import a vertical video, you can simply select your preset instead of adjusting everything manually. Having a custom preset not only saves you time, but also ensures all your vertical videos maintain consistent quality and format across platforms. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom preset in Handbrake for vertical videos. From now on, converting and optimizing your vertical content will be faster and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other guides on mastering Handbrake and video editing tools. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.